So we've got a slow leak here on our Tahoe. You can see there we found a nail in the tread. What I've done is I've backed up on the driveway until I can easily access that. They say if the nail is outside the sidewall or out or there or in, plugging is, or actually patching is not something you should do. You should replace the tire. I don't know if that's bullcrap or not, but right here in the tread, just a nail, it's gonna be something that we can easily plug. So let's get started. We have a tire plug tool. We have a reamer to clean out the hole. We've got some plugs. I like to use side cutters to pull out the old nail because it really grabs better than regular pliers, and so you can grab it with the sharp point and pull it out. I've got my air compressor ready, a tire gauge, and the air hose ready to go. If you're doing this with a low quality air compressor or on the side of the road and you've got one of the 12-volt plug-in compressors, which I have done this on the side of the road, be sure to get everything ready before you pull whatever's plugging the tire out, because you're going to lose air, obviously. So get your plug into the tool. You can see it slides into that slot. It's not real easy to put in there, but get it in there, center it. You have your reamer tool ready. That's what you use first to clean out the hole. Then we put that in. Looks like it is a bolt of some kind because I can see threads. I can hear air now. I don't know how long it is. At this point, regular pliers would definitely be better because we've got it out where we can grab it. So let's get some regular pliers. Let the threads work for you if it's got threads. Stick the reamer in, clear out that hole. You got a round hole. You're gonna take your plug. Takes a good amount of force to get that in there. I much prefer the T-handle style rather than the plug tools that are shaped like a screwdriver. Tools that are shaped like a screwdriver are just brutal on the hands. Sorry for the on-camera work. I'm actually going to use two hands to do this. Okay, once you get that in, you will feel it go in. You don't want to push it all the way in, but you do want to get the meat of it in to the tire. We're going to trim off the excess, and this is important also. When you pull it out, you're going to grab it and pull it out quickly so that it stays. Those will just open up and let that out. As you can hear, we are no longer leaking air. And no matter what a tire shop might tell you, but you can cut that off flush if you want. I personally like to leave just a bit, not much, because you don't want it grabbing anything. But no matter what a tire shop tells you, that can be a permanent job. You do not need to go sit at the tire shop for 3 hours tomorrow and get that patched. Shout out to Benchmade for good knives. Obviously you want to be careful the knife around the tire, but there you go. I didn't lose a whole lot of air. I'll add a few PSI. Hopefully you know how to do that. Get all the airs to all the tires to the correct pressure. All right, have a good day and God bless. Thanks.